Dear students, we are handling the topic De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem topic. In the De Moivre's theorem, we are handling exercise 2B. Exercise 2B is going on. In yesterday class, you have completed first round, first question. In today class, first round, second question. If A, comma B, comma C are angles of triangle, A, comma B, comma C are angles of triangle, and x is equal to cis A, y is equal to cis B, z is equal to cis C. Find x, y, z, x into y into z given condition is x is equal to not x, sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, and he given x is equal to cis A, y is equal to cis B, z is equal to cis C. Now x, y, z is equal to cis A into cis B into cis C. The value of cis A into cis B into cis B formula, cis of A plus B plus C. So cos of A plus B plus C plus sin of I sin of A plus B plus C. Cos of A plus B plus C plus I sin of A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C meaning 180 degrees. So this is cos 180 degrees plus I sin 180 degrees. Cos 180 value minus 1 plus I into 0. So answer is minus 1. So xyz value is minus 1. Let us going to discuss about third one, second question. Find the cube root of 8. Cube roots of 8. So you can understand this one as 8 to power 1 by 3. 8 to power 1 by 3 can be written as 2 cube into 1, like this, total whole power 1 by 3. So 2 cube whole power 1 by 3 into 1 whole power 1 by 3. This can be written as 2 into 1 power 1 by 3. 1 power 1 by 3 meaning cube root of unity. We know that cube roots of unity is equal to 1 comma omega square. That implies directly you can write 2 comma 2 omega square or cube root of unity. No, cube root of 8. Cube roots of 8. Fourth one, first and second you try to do the homework, otherwise you can ask me. In third one I am doing x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z plus x plus y omega plus z omega square. X plus y omega plus z omega square into x plus y omega square plus z omega is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy. This is the formula, depends upon these of equations. The formula is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Like that we should get. We will get it. Take LHS here. X plus y plus z into multiply x square plus xy omega square plus xz omega plus xy omega plus y square omega cube plus yz omega square plus xz omega square plus yz omega power 4 plus z square omega cube. This is LHS. So that is equal to x plus y plus z into, now you can understand, write the formula x square plus y square plus z square, because omega cube equal to 1, y square omega cube and z square omega cube is 1. Next one, xy you take common, xy whenever you are taking common it becomes omega square plus omega, this term and xy term should be there, xy for xy omega square in the similar way yx omega, yeah, it is. Next in the similar way yz you can take yz omega square plus yz omega power 4 varying omega. So yz taken common, within the brackets you can write omega plus omega square plus next step zx into xz omega, and this is omega square. Xz taken common, within the brackets you can write omega plus omega square. That's all enough. Since 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, we know that omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. So this is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So directly you can write the formula according to theory of equation. This is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc concept. Next, fifth one, prove that minus omega comma minus omega square are root of z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0. Simply substitute minus omega, there is no question of tough, simply substitute, you will get 0, that's all. At last you write simply they are roots. Do homework. Sixth one, 1 comma omega square are cube roots of unity. Then evaluating a plus b whole cube plus a omega plus b omega square whole cube plus a omega square plus b omega whole cube equal to dash. Write the formula a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. In the similar way, here also a cube omega cube plus 3a square b means 3a square omega square into b means b omega square plus 3ab square. So 3a omega into b square omega power 4 plus b cube. So b cube into omega power 6, b cube into omega power 6 plus this is in the similar way a cube omega power 6 plus 3a square b. So 3a square omega power 4 into b means b omega plus 3ab square. So 3a omega square into b square means b square omega square plus b cube meaning b cube omega cube. So that is equal to, you can understand this is a cube omega cube, a cube omega power 6, omega cube is equal to 1, then 3 multiples of all omegas equal to 1, omega power 6. So you can write 3a cube. Now take common 3a square b, 3a square b, of course we can write b cube also, b cube. Okay, let us write 3a square be taken common, 3a square be here, here also 3a square be taken common. So 3a square be into omega power 4 becomes, this is 3a cube plus take common 3a square be. Here whenever 3a square be taken common, this is 1 plus omega power 4 becomes omega, and in the similar way this is 3a square b omega power 5, omega power 5 becomes omega square plus, once again you can take 3ab square, this is 1, 3ab square, this is 1 plus again this is 3ab square omega power 4 becomes omega power 4 becomes omega, and this is 3ab square omega power 5 becomes omega square plus now b cube, this is b cube and b cube power b cube into omega power 6 and b cube omega cube. So it is 3b cube. Students, you can understand that 1 plus omega square becomes 0 and this is 0. So 3 into 3 taken common, you can write a cube plus b cube. That's all. Now sixth one, second question in the similar way you do homework. Third one is also homework. So now fourth I will say, fourth, fifth, seventh I will say, remaining of 4, 5, 7. Now let us do fourth one, 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega power 4 into 1 minus omega power 8. Of course this is also easy. So this is 1 minus omega into this is 1 minus omega square into directly write this is 1 minus omega, because omega power 4 you can understand as omega cube into 1. This is omega power 8. Here I am giving a hint to you that omega power 4 equal to omega cube into omega, and omega power 8 is equal to omega power 6 into omega square. Omega power 6 you can understand as omega cube whole square. So write like this, 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square whole square total. So 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega whole square is there, 1 minus omega square whole square is there. Total square you can write. 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square. Multiply, you will get here 1 minus omega square minus omega plus omega cube total whole square. That is equal to 1 minus of, you can write here omega square plus omega cube whole square. This is 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square. This is 3 whole square becomes 9. Fifth one, this is IMP in IPE and object ones. This is IMP MSET bit A plus B omega. A plus B omega plus C omega square whole by C plus A omega plus B omega plus A plus B omega plus C omega whole by B plus C omega plus A omega. B plus C omega plus A omega square. Now, depends upon the denominator, you can calculate the value. So, what is the denominator? Try to understand the relation between numerator and denominator. In numerator, A plus B omega plus C omega square is there. In denominator, only for C is there. So, better to take common in omega square in numerator. Take omega square in numerator. So, what will happen? C plus here, whenever you are taking common omega square, so you can understand this is omega power 4. So, this is omega square. Omega square into omega square becomes omega power 4, it is nothing but omega. Then you can understand here this is A omega because omega cube becomes 1. So, like directly you can write. So, that meaning is just simply observe the denominator and depends upon denominator you can understand the value. C plus B omega square plus C omega plus. Here also observe the denominator. B plus C omega plus A omega square. So, omega you take common in numerator. So, whenever you are taking omega, you can understand instead of 1, omega cube exists there. So, now omega taken common, here it is omega square. Here B omega taken simply B. See omega square is there, you can understand omega power, omega taken, so C omega, there is no power. Followed by right in the order A omega square plus B plus C omega, this will be getting cancelled and this is getting cancelled. Simply this is you got only omega square plus omega, that is minus 1. This is simple value. If you are not getting this taking common idea, then it is somewhat difficult question like this multiplication method. It is so hard question, so this is the better method to follow. Now, 7th question. 1 minus omega. 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 5 plus 1 plus omega plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 5. Now 1 plus omega square, write a group, minus omega whole power 5 plus this is 1 plus omega, take a group, minus omega square whole power 5. 1 plus omega square you can write as minus omega. This is minus omega whole power 5 plus of this is minus omega square whole power 5. Minus omega means minus 2 omega. Minus 2 omega whole power 5 plus of minus 2 omega square whole power 5. So take common minus 2 power 5. Minus 2 power 5 into omega power 5 plus omega square power 5. This one you can understand as omega power 5 plus omega power 5 whole square. So it is nothing but of the form omega plus omega square. So it is simply minus 2 power 5 into minus 1. That value is 32. Yeah. Now, Roman number 2 questions. Solve. X power 4 is equal to 1. I think we have discussed in example Let us going to discuss about x power 6. In example 2 we got x power 4 is equal to 1, not x power 6. So the same question you can erase. Already I said that x power 4 is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 power 1 by 4. Fourth roots of that unity is plus or minus I. So do the sum. X power 5 is equal to 1 minus 1. That one also try to do homework. Now I say third question, it is enough to say the answer about, say the questions about 1 to 4. So second Roman, first one, third question I am discussing. Second Roman, first question, third one. X power 9 minus x power 5 plus x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. X power 9 minus x power 5 plus x power 4 minus 1. Take x power 5 common. This is x power 4 minus 1. Plus take 1 common here. So this is x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. So x power 5 plus 1 into x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Two cases are there. X power 5 plus 1 equal to 0. First case and x power 5 minus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Second case. So case 1. X power 5 plus 1 equal to 3. So this is the second sum and x power 4 is equal to 1. This is the first sum. X power 5 is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 by 5. So x is equal to, yeah, you can understand this one, minus 1 plus I into 0 whole power 1 by 5. So x is equal to cos pi minus 1, meaning cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 by 5. I said the formula cos theta plus I theta whole power 1 by n is equal to cis of theta plus 2k pi by n, where k is equal to 0, 1 to so on and minus 1. So here you can understand that is equal to cis of pi plus 2k pi, theta plus 2k pi by n formula, pi plus 2k pi by 5, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Therefore, x is equal to cis of pi taken common, right, like this, pi by 5 taken common within the brackets 2k plus 1, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you write, also no problem, no need to write also. If you want to expand this one, simply you can write here, if k is equal to 0, this is 2 pi by 5. If k is equal to 1, 2, 8 plus 1, 3 pi by 5. 6 pi by 5, 6 3 pi by 5, 6 5 pi by 5, 6 7 pi by 5, 6 like this, 9 pi by 5, that's all. Now, case 2. Case 2, x power 4 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 power 1 by 4. This can be written as 1 plus I into 0 whole power 1 by 4. So that is equal to cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees plus I sin 0 degrees whole power 1 by 4. So this is the form cos theta plus I sin whole power 1 by n is nothing but cis of 2k pi by n. Of course, this is 0 plus 2k pi by 4. Cis of 0 plus 2k pi by 4, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, x you can write cis of pi by 2. Cis of pi by 2. 2k, no, pi k pi by 2, not simply pi by 2. Cis k pi by 2. K is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. That's all. If you need the value, substitute k here. 0 cis 0 means 1. Cis 1 pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos negative value 0 plus I into 1. It is I. So values is equal to 1, I, minus 1, minus I. Actually, is not discussed. Next, so Roman number 2, first one, fourth question you do, students. Second Roman, second question. Find the common roots of. Find the common roots of x power 12 minus 1 equal to 0, comma x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. What is it? Simply omega. If you are substituting directly also, you can get the answer. It is omega. Roman number 2, second question. Exercise 2b. These many roots are not there. Maybe let us try. X power 12 is equal to 1. We substitute here omega power 4 plus omega square plus 1, it's okay. Next, omega square, it is also okay. Omega cube, it is wrong. Omega power 6, maybe 3 roots chance are there. Omega meaning 6 to pi by 3. Yeah, directly I am discussing 6 pi by 3 also discussing. 6 pi by 3 is not possible. Okay, let us discuss x power 12 equal to 1. X is equal to 1 power 1 by 12. X is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 plus I sin 0 whole power 1 by 12. So x is equal to 6 2k pi by 12. 6 2k pi by 12. K is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on 11. So values I am writing. If put x is equal to 0, it is 1. 1 is not the root. So values 1, 6. 1 put here, 6 pi by 6. 6 pi by 6. 2 you put here. 2 to are 4 pi by 12. So 2 pi by 3. Exactly this is the root. And 6. Next one 1 0 1 2 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 pi by 12. 6 pi by 12 means pi by 2. Next, like this, we can write here. Let us write here 0 in first of all 0. Next 2 pi by 6. 2 pi by 12 like this. 1. Okay, this is 2 pi by 12. Like this I am writing. If you put here 2 4 pi by 12, this is better way. Next 6 pi by 12. Next 6 8 pi by 12. Next 6 10 pi by 12. Like this 6 12 pi by 12. 6 14 pi by 12. 6 16 pi by 12. 6 18 pi by 12. 11 2s are until 20. Okay, I am writing 6 20 pi by 12, comma 6 22 pi by 12. So multiples of 2 pi by 3 only roots, because for this one omega is common root. Omega comma omega square. Omega comma omega square are common roots. If you put here omega power 4 plus omega square plus 1, so it is 0. If you put omega square, it is omega square whole power 4 becomes omega power 8. It is nothing but omega square. Plus this is omega square whole square, nothing but omega. So omega comma omega square are roots. In the similar way, maybe omega power 4 also. Omega power 16 becomes omega plus omega power 8. So, yes, omega square, omega power 4 and omega power 8. Omega power 8 means 6 2 pi by 3 whole power 8. Omega value 6 2 pi by 3. 6 2 pi by 3 whole power 8. So 16 pi by 12. Yeah. Next omega power 10 maybe. Omega power 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 common roots are there. Like this, no, omega power 10 means omega power 10 not possible. Common root should be there. Omega power 12 means minus 1. Omega square whole power 12. So omega power 24 it is correct. Omega power 4 12s are okay. It's okay. 48. Omega power 8 into 12 is also okay. Omega power 12 whole power 12 120 is also okay. Next omega power that's all. Omega power 10 means 6 2 pi by 3 whole power 10. So 6 20 pi by 3 until here it is 20 pi by 12 until here it is okay. So common roots you can understand what is the value of omega. Omega means 6 2 pi by 3. 6 2 pi by 3. 6 2 pi by 3 meaning here it is not correct. Yes, from here started. 8 pi by 12, 1. Next, omega power 2 whole omega square means is 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 you should get. So this is. Next, omega power 4. Omega power 4 means 6 2 pi by 3 whole power 8. So 6 8 pi by 3. 4 8 is 24. That much sin is not there. So only these two values we got the common roots according to this question. The second question he given answer is wrong. So common roots are here. Common roots are here according to fourth table. This is 2 pi by 3. This is 4 pi by 3. And here next 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3. Next one 2 pi by 3 model you should get. It is not right. So 24 pi by 12. So it is not right. Just wait. 2 9s are 2 3s are 9 pi by 9 pi by 6. It is wrong. So simply write common roots are 6 8 pi by 12. Comma 6 16 pi by 12. Or omega square enough. If we take this one until here we got omega power 10 it's okay. Of course so many plenty of roots we can handle, but until here only the values are existing. Until k equal to 11, so 22 pi by 12. If we cut this one, second table 11 pi by 6. This 11 pi by 6 becomes 6 of 11 pi by 6. This 11 pi by 6 becomes 330. So cos 30 plus I sin 30. Cos 30 plus I sin 30. Cos 30 minus I sin 30, it becomes minus omega. It is wrong. Simply leave it. If the question you face in objective, directly you can say omega comma omega square, that's all. Now, third question is IMP 2 marks and very easy question. Number of 15th roots of unity. Number of 15th roots of unity which are also number of 15th roots of unity which are also 25th roots of unity, which are also 25th roots of unity. So 15th roots of unity, that is GCD of, this is shortcut, GCD of 15 comma 25 is the common root of unity. Common, that is number of roots, common number of roots. GCD method like this: 15, 25, put here 1, this is 15, this is 10, so put here 15 and put here 1, 10 ones are 10, this is 5 and put here 10, 5 twos are 10, this is 0. Whatever the value here we got, that is GCD. So GCD is equal to 5. That's all. So number of common roots. Number of common roots of 15th roots of unity and 25th roots of unity are 5. If this is not correct, if you are thinking, of course it is okay, you should write 1 power 1 by 50 and you should get 16 values. Of course 16 values. And 1 power 1 by 25, you should get 26 values. Among them, what values are common, you underline and take it. Of course, this is better method. This is only correct way. Now, fourth question. If the cube roots of unity are 1 omega square, find the roots of x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 1 whole cube plus 8. X minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. Solve. This is also easy question. X minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1, you should write minus 8. X minus 1 whole cube equal to minus 8. X minus 1 is equal to minus 8 whole power 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 minus of, write like this, minus 2 whole cube whole power 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1 minus 2, 3 and 3 will be getting cancelled, 1 minus 2 into 1 power 1 by 3. This meaning like this, students. We know that cube roots of unity, cube roots of 1 are 1 comma omega square. That implies here x is equal to, you can write 1 minus 2 into 1 comma 1 minus 2 into omega comma 1 minus 2 into omega square. That's all. So values are 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1. If you substitute here also, it becomes 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 whole cube, minus 8 plus 8 becomes 0. Minus 1, comma 1 minus 2 omega, comma 1 minus 2 omega square. Fifth question, students, answer is wrong. First I am saying directly. Now do the sum. Find the product of all values. Find the product of all values of 1 plus I whole power 4 by 5. Product of all values is asking root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2 whole power 4 by 5. This is 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 4 by 5 into, this is cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole power 4 by 5. This can be understand 2 power 2 by 5, that's all, into apply The theorem, de Moivre theorem like this, cos here 4 into pi by 4 plus I sin 4 into pi by 4 whole power 1 by 5. That is equal to 2 power 2 by 5 into cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 by 5. So that is equal to, he is asking product. So 2 power 2 by 5. 2 power 2 by 5 into minus 1 whole power 1 by 5. So you can write this one as cis of theta plus 2k pi. Cis of pi plus 2k pi whole by 5, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The values are 2 power 2 by 5 into, take common pi. So 6 of pi by 5 into 2k plus 1. 6 of pi by 5 into 2k plus 1, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you calculate the product of those values. Product 2 power 2 by 5 you can take common. The product means here the values here I am writing 6. If it is 0, 6 pi by 5. So 2 power 2 by 5 into 2 power 2 by 5 into 6 pi by 5 comma 6. If it is 1, 3 pi by 5. If it is 2, 6, 5 pi by 5. If it is 3, 6, 7 pi by 5. If it is 4, 6, 9 pi by 5. So all the products we can write cis alpha into cis beta into cis gamma is equal to cis of alpha plus beta plus gamma, like that we add here. So we can write cis of pi by 5 taken common. So you write 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So 3, 1, 4, 4, 5, 9, 9, 7, 16, 69, 25, 20, 55, 5. 2 power 2 by 5 into cis of 5 pi. Cis 5 pi is nothing but cis 4 pi plus pi. So 2 power 2 by 5 into 2 power 2 by 5 into minus 1. That's all. So minus 2 power 2 by 5. Like that you should leave. Answer given as minus 4, it is wrong. Minus 4 you will not get. Next, sixth question. This is IMP question. I think in any theory of equations object we got the same question. Sixth question. If z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0, where z is a complex number, where z is a complex number, then prove that z plus 1 by z whole square plus z square plus 1 by z square whole square plus z cube plus 1 by z cube whole square plus z power 4 plus 1 by z power 4 whole square plus z power 5 plus 1 by z power 5 whole square plus z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6 whole square equal to 12. Given z square, this is z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Since omega square plus omega plus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation having two roots. Like this, you write another one. Omega power 4 plus omega square plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, you conclude that omega comma omega square are roots of given quadratic equation. So you can understand here. Let z is equal to omega. 1 by z is equal to omega square. To calculate here. Of course, whenever z is equal to omega, 1 means omega cube by omega becomes omega square. So LHS, I am writing LHS as omega plus omega square whole square plus here omega square plus omega square plus 1 by z means omega square plus 1 by z square. So 1 by omega square means omega. 1 by z square is 1 by omega. This is 1 square. This is omega cube plus 1 by omega cube is only 1. You can understand omega power 6 also by omega cube. So simply this is omega cube whole square plus this is omega power 4 plus this one you can understand omega power 6. Omega power 6 by omega square becomes omega square whole square. This is also omega power 5 plus you can understand this is omega power 6 by omega power 5. So it is omega power 5 you can understand omega square. This is whole square plus this is omega power 6 plus this is also omega power 6 whole square. Directly omega power 6 you can understand whole square. Omega plus omega square meaning minus 1 by minus 1 whole square. Omega square plus omega means also minus 1 whole square. Omega cube becomes 1. This is 1 plus 1. This is whole square. 1 plus 1 whole square plus omega power 4 means omega plus omega square becomes minus 1 whole square. Plus omega power 5 means omega square plus 1. So it is minus 1 whole square. Omega power 6 means 1. So this is 1 plus 1 whole square. So minus 1 whole square is 1. This is 1. 1 plus 1 whole square is 4. This is 1. This is 1. This is 4. 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 8 plus 11. Sorry, 8 plus 4. It is 12. This is our answer. One time they asked for 7 marks. It is. Of course, somewhat IMP and object only, not in IPE. This is. If we given also for 7 marks, you can do easily. Omega, instead of omega power 5, you can understand here omega power 5 means omega cube into omega square plus 1 by minus square omega. Like that, any method you can understand. Simply write. You can understand now. The multiple of 3 only gives 1. I mean omega cube, omega power 6, omega power 9, like that. Now Roman number 2 sums completed. Roman number 3, 5 sums are there. Okay students, let us discuss the Roman number 3 sums in next class.